This is the installation guide for the AllSportSystems flight yoke and throttle quadrant under desk mount. Begin by finding and marking the center of where you want your LowRiderPLUS mounted under your desk. Drill a 5/16 hole in the desired center position, 1 1/4 inches from the front edge of your desk, about 3/4 inches deep. Install a threaded insert into the hole you drilled using a 6mm hex or Allen wrench. From here, you can attach the LowRiderPLUS frame to the desk and mark the drill points for the remaining 2 holes. These will be 14.5 inches away from the center hole. Double check these measurements before drilling. After drilling, install the remaining threaded inserts under your desk. Attach your flight yoke to the LowRiderPLUS by removing the following 4 screws. While this video shows the installation process using a honeycomb flight yoke, the process is the exact same for the Logitech or Cytec flight yoke. The hex or Allen wrench sizes needed are 2.5mm for the honeycomb and 3mm for the Logitech. Next, take the mounting bracket and align it with the 4 screw holes in the top of your flight yoke. Replace the 4 screws you removed, screwing them back into the top of your flight yoke through the corresponding holes in the mounting bracket. Be sure to not over-tighten them. Repeat the same previous steps when installing the Honeycomb Bravo throttle quadrant. If using the Logitech throttle quadrant, line up the 4 holes in the top of the Logitech throttle quadrant with the matching 4 holes on the right side of the mounting bracket and drop the 4 included 632 screws through the 4 holes. Next, take the 4 included number 8 washers and 632 nuts and secure the throttle quadrant to the mounting frame. You can repeat this process if installing a second Logitech throttle quadrant. Take your yoke and throttle quadrant that have been attached to the mounting bracket and attach them to your desk using the 3 included knobs. These will screw directly into the threaded inserts you installed on the underside of your desk. Be sure to check everything is secured properly and to not over-tighten the knobs. You're now ready for flight. For any additional information, you may visit us at AllSportSystems.com.